Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Code Canvas. In this video, we will see how to rename a local or remote branch in Git. So, Git is a version control system that software developers use to keep track of changes in their applications and collaborate with others. One helpful feature of Git is branches. Different people working on a software project can work in different branches before merging their code changes with the original code. You can also add new features and fix bugs on different branch without affecting the original code. Sometimes you might want to change the name of the branch because of typos or other errors. And that's what I'm going to show you in this video. So, as you can see on my screen, this is a GitHub and there is one repository called Code Canvas, and these are the branches. When you click on view all branches, you can see the number of branches here. Okay, so one branch name is code fixes and I want to update that branch name to bug fixes. So first of all, open your code and here open git bash. So once you open the git bash, you can see the number of branches. So for that, you need to write down git branch hyphen list. Okay, so once you enter this command, you can see the number of branches in your local git repository. As you can see, the code fixes development and master. You are right now on master branch. Okay, so after that you need to switch to the branch you want to rename. So for that, git checkout, the branch name is code dash fixes. The typo error, yeah, so it should be. So right now I am on code fixes. Okay, git status, it will show the status, and git git branch will show. Right now I am on code fixes branch. Okay, so after that, uh, when you want to rename the branch name, you need to write down a command git branch space hyphen m, the new name. So new name will be bug hyphen fixes. Okay, so once you enter that command, git branch hyphen list. So as you can see in your local, the name of this branch is now bug fixes. Okay, so here it is updated in your local git repository. But if you go to GitHub, the branch name is still code fixes because you haven't updated that name to the remote repository. So there is another option. Right now you are on the bug fixes branch, right? After now, before that, or you can say the alternative, if you are on another branch and you want to rename the branch, what you can do, git branch m, the old branch space the new branch. Okay, so I'm not executing this code because the branch name is already updated. I just wanted to show you that this is also an alternative. Okay, so next step is how to rename a remote git branch. Renaming a remote git branch is not as straightforward as renaming the local branch. To be precise, renaming a remote branch is not direct. You have to delete the old branch from the remote and you have to push the new branch to the repository. Okay, so for that, what you have to do, let me clear this out. Git. Okay, the next command will be git push origin space hyphen delete delete and the old branch. Old branch name is code dash fixes. Okay, so enter git push origin hyphen delete code fixes. Once you run this code, it will delete code fixes branch from remote repository. As you can see, this branch is no longer exist. So this is the first step. The second step is reset the upstream branch to the name of your new local branch by running this command git push origin dash u and the new name. New name will be bug hyphen fixes. Okay, let it get load. Yeah, so once it is, as you can see here, the new branch name is bug fixes. Okay, and once you reload this remote branch, you can see now the name of this branch is bug fixes. Okay, so you can confirm from here only, right? So this is the method where you can update a local branch name as well as remote branch name, and you must have to keep both the name in sync to make sure that you are working in a single repository, that it should be a fixed name or the name should be same. Okay, so the conclusion here, branches are an awesome feature of Git that make your hosted software project safer. Sometimes renaming branches locally and remotely might be necessary. So that's why I have created this video to help you to rename your branches without any errors. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give me a like. That's all for this video, guys. Hope to see you sometime next. Thank you.